Hello lovely people, I'm Natalie. I teach you handstands here on YouTube. This video is about discovering your handstand archetype. So I'd say there are two archetypes and they depend on your shoulder mobility most of all. So if you have trouble to open your shoulders fully, I think that you will enjoy strength-based moves more because for your strength-based moves, you have to rotate your shoulders inwards. So inwards is, I call this inwards, even though some physiotherapists might call this differently. But for these kind of rotations, your strength-based moves, they will come easily to you. So if you are the strength-based handstand archetype, I think you should really also consider stretching your shoulders. I think if you are more of a strength-based mover, you will have a lot of power and make a lot of progress at first. And then quite often when it comes to doing handstand, different handstand shapes, press to handstand, you hit a little bit of a plateau, and that's mostly due to shoulder mobility. So I would recommend, as always, that you practice your weakness as much as your strength. So do stretch your shoulders, work on your mobility. And then quite often when you are able to fully open the shoulders as a strength-based mover, it can be a game changer in handstands. So as a flexibility-based handstander, you might find that at the beginning you struggle a little bit more to hold the handstand shape or find balance. But then once you've built the strength, you can achieve a lot of the shapes quite easily. So the different handstand archetypes often have different journeys in terms of when you plateau and when you progress quite a lot. So if you are more the mobility-based mover, then starting your handstand journey in the beginning can be harder. And then it's really useful if you focus on strength-based exercises, especially everything that helps you to round your back and to hold your body weight with the shoulders a bit further to the front. And you then later on won't have to worry so much about things like opening your shoulders, leg mobility, and things like press to handstand will come easily to you once you have enough strength to actually support your body weight confidently. I would say the ideal handstand archetype is, of course, a mover who is both strong and mobile. But usually we have our strengths and weaknesses, and it's quite useful to identify these. Are you more of a strength-based or a flexibility-based mover? And what are the things that have helped you alongside your handstand journey? If you liked this video, please give me a super like or have a look at my videos in my Vimeo library, my fantastic press to handstand course. Thank you so much, as always, for being here and supporting my work. I hope you have a great day, and I see you in the next video.